Hello everyone and welcome back to the SuperTeki channel. Today we've got a new update here for the Chia ecosystem, and if you open up your Chia today, or if you've opened it today or restarted your computer, you will get a message indicating that there is a new update for Chia. Now if you go over to help and then look or check for updates, you will get this box indicating that there is a new update. So that's 2.5.5, and you have the option to download and to view the release notes. Let's click here on the release notes for now, and on the release notes, and whilst we're opening the release notes, we can also open the download section of this update, and we can also check the release notes right over here. So on the release notes, they mentioned that the protocol changes between node, farmer, and harvester will require all entities to be upgraded at the same time to 2.5.5 on a simple when machine sets up. This will be handled by the installer. But if you have a more complicated topology with remote servers or harvesters, you will need to upgrade all components. Dr. Plotter is currently not available with Chia 2.5.5 because of the protocol changes above. Please do not update to Chia 2.5.5 until a compatible version of Dr. Plotter is released. 2.5.5 will also make changes to the blockchain database that are compatible with previous versions. If you run 2.5.5 but later wish to downgrade to an earlier version, you will need to downgrade your database schema by running the following command. So there is a Python command here available for you to run. Now, let's go over and download the Chia. You can also review the release notes later. And for this update, I'm just going to shut down Chia and start the installer. So I'm just going through the installer now. Select next, 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 and that's it, really. Nothing out of this world. So after installing, just open Chia and it will continue to work. Oh, and it's also worth mentioning that this update does prepare Chia for the next version or the next plot format that will be coming up, but it does not force the new plot format yet, but it does prepare for it. That's all. Thank you very much. This is it for this video's update. Take care, and I'll see you on next run.